Hi guys, Virgo out here. I'm covered up so I don't gross out with my scar. Well, not scar, actual incision. But I wanted to come on and make a video. This isn't about jewelry, but I told you in one of my other videos that I had started to become a distributor of Young Living essential oils. So I'm going to open my kit right here, my Young Living essential oil kit that I purchased. I purchased the basic kit, which was $35 plus tax and shipping. I also purchased Young Living, if you don't know what it is, it's a company that sells essential oils. I'm sure we're all familiar with what essential oils are. I will put a link down below so you can go look at their products and information. They're organic essential oils. I had studied and researched into essential oils years ago and different distribution companies, and found that Young Living was the best. Now, I'm not going to tell you that their products are really cheap, because they're not in price, but they are. We all know in life, if you spend money, you most likely get good quality things, and that's the way it is with essential oil. If you're going to get good quality essential oils, you're going to have to pay the price for them. But things like these last a long time too, so it really evens out. I have never used essential oils before, so I'm looking forward to doing it. I have used, herbal supplements and vitamins and things like that. So I also, if you go and you purchase a starter kit like I did, then you can purchase individual items and get 24% off. So another thing I purchased while I was there was a bottle of shampoo that is to thicken your hair. As you know, I had my thyroid removed, and before I had it removed, I think I've been having this problem for years and years. My hair has been thinning and thinning and thinning, so I wanted to get some shampoo with some essential oils in it. It will pack very nicely. Here's my paper. It says the shampoo I got is Lavender Volume Shampoo. Basic starter kit, yep. Okay, that's great, okay. So here's my shampoo. And I've read reviews of this before I order. I always look up reviews. You don't have to use very much of this. Let's see how it smells. It's got a little thing on it. Get it off. Ooh, that smells good. I love lavender. I'll tell you how this works. Okay, and here's my starter kit, and that's cute. That's pretty. I love purple. Purple's my favorite color. That's my starter kit. And it looks like underneath it they have like a newspaper. Called the Essential Edge, to give you information, news of the world leader in essential oil. Let's open the kit and see. This is a nice box. Let's see what I have. I don't want to break the box. Oh, it come right off. Okay. So here's the box. They call it Seed to Seal, which is all organic from the seed of growing it until they put their seal of approval on it. They've been around for 25 years. How do I open this? It's like, I'm not mechanically inclined, so bear with me. Thank God for YouTube, because I'm the kind of person who has to watch somebody do something in order to be able to repeat the action and do it. Okay, this is my basic starter kit. Will include Young Living Stress Away. And I'm not sure how to pronounce this. They have on there how to pronounce this. It's their Nixia Red. It's a fluid you drink. And since I found out that I have acute inflammation, which I pretty much prefer that anyway, I need some anti-inflammatory things. Oh, and their Thieves Household Cleaner sample packet. They are really all about, it's not just about essential oils. They have cleaners and bath products, all natural and good for the environment. Oops, I opened it upside down. See what I mean? I opened it upside down. Uh-oh. I see a lid. It says one Aroma Glide. Oh, the Aroma Glide. I thought it said guide. It's Glide. Okay, so you open it up. And here's what it looks like. This is the $35 starter kit. That's that liquid stuff. And it says you get this guide. Essential oils. Ooh, this smells good. I smell peppermint. Oh, I got mint stuff. Smells good. Stress Away. Who doesn't need Stress Away? It's our first blend that combines authentic lime and vanilla essential oils. I'm not big on vanilla, but all the vanilla I've ever been using is the fake stuff, so maybe I'll like the real stuff. Alright, and it just goes through a bunch of different oils and what their benefits are. So this must be, whoa, this must be the roller thing, where you can put it on top of your essential oil bottle. This is the essential oil. This is how they come in. This is Stress Away. And if you want to use this on your skin, you can put the roller on, then roll it on like a perfume roller. Let's open this up and see what it smells like. I like it. It's a, what did it say it was? Vanilla and it's got lime, cedarwood, vanilla, octia, lavender, and something I can't pronounce. Copaiba. Smells very, I smell the cedar in it. Smells very earthy. It's kind of like a candle I would like to burn. Awesome. Oh, like we all did this at this time. You know we do. This is their Thieves. That they make a product called Thieves and they comes in cleaners. This is their hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. I don't know why hand sanitizer hasn't been made and got back on the shelf yet. Let's see what this smells like. Just kind of pepperminty. I don't know if it's got peppermint in it. Yeah. Well, no wonder it's got peppermint oil in it. Oh, it smells good. I like it. I'm liking it all right now. Then I got a little thing of it says essential oil infused mints, Thieves. Naturally sugar free, so that's great. And then I got these, see that, this is, so I don't know how to pronounce it. That, red, this has got, 5 grams of sugar in it, calories are 25. Got calcium, iron, sodium, protein a little bit. It's the Wolf, love it. Don't you just love getting old where you can't read? Wolfberry Superfruit. Well, let's just try it. We might as well just try it. Why not? Of course, leave it to me. I didn't tear it off right. Where are my things? My scissors. I hope it's good so I don't like make a face when I do it. Well, hello, how am I supposed to try it if I can't get it open? Oh, that's good. No joke, guys, I wouldn't lie to you. I've drank a lot of... Ooh, that's good. I've drank a lot of like, oh, drink this juice and it's good for you. That's good. That almost... It's only got 5 grams of sugar in it. It's a very berry taste, because it's wolfberry. It's good. Oh yeah, I'll definitely be ordering some of that. Oh man, that's delicious. Looks like it's got water, tartaric acid, natural blueberry, blueberry flavor, pure vanilla extract, some pectin. Pectin's good for you. They use stevia from the leaf extract to sweeten it. So you drink 1 packet 1 to 2 times daily. Best served chilled. It was good fine this way. It said Shankwell before use. I didn't, but it tasted blended to me. So I'm really excited to learn more about essential oils. I signed up underneath my niece. Actually, an interesting story. My brother, who I wasn't raised with, he's my half brother. I hadn't seen him for over 30 years. We made contact and he moved up here. He's since moved back down to Florida, but he has a daughter and I made contact with her, and we actually have a lot in common with our faith and things, and she's a very sweet young girl. Never met her, just talked to her via, social media, and she does this and really promotes it and does well, and is into living a very healthy lifestyle and a very all-natural lifestyle. So I'm thankful for her and getting to know her, and she's my up leader on here, so I'll be asking her questions and taking some training. I couldn't get mine started because I had to go with my surgery, but it all looks great, guys, and I'm really excited, and I'll leave you a link down below where you can go check it out. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for joining me. I'm sorry about my voice. I gotta get this thing off because it's really itchy. It's really itching my incision. But this looks great, and that was really good. I'd like to drink the other one. Alright, guys, I'll talk to you later. Give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and ask me any questions down in the comments you'd like to. Bye.